Some motorcycles are built for adventure, some for speed, but the ones we rely on every day are the ones that truly matter. In 2026, we're getting several new bikes designed for real-world, everyday riding. Let's take a look at the best of them, starting with number 7. Kawasaki Versys-X 300. The 2026 Kawasaki Versys-X 300 continues to be one of the most practical, everyday riders in the lightweight adventure commuter category. What riders appreciate about this motorcycle is how incredibly easy it is to live with. The 296cc parallel twin engine is smooth, calm, and fuel-efficient, delivering just the right amount of power for city streets and relaxed highway cruising. For 2026, Kawasaki refined the throttle response and suspension tuning to make the bike even more comfortable on rough roads or uneven pavement. The upright riding position is a huge part of its everyday appeal. You sit naturally, with great visibility and a relaxed posture that works beautifully for longer commutes. The windshield provides solid wind protection, and the narrow frame makes filtering through traffic effortless. Kawasaki also introduced fresh colors and updated graphics, giving the bike a more modern, adventure-ready appearance. What makes the Versys-X 300 such a strong, everyday motorcycle is its versatility. It's light, easy to handle, capable on gravel, and surprisingly stable at higher speeds. Whether you're riding to work, exploring backroads, or taking a weekend trip, the Versys-X 300 adapts to every situation without drama. It's practical, dependable, and built with the everyday rider in mind. Number 6. Suzuki SV650. The Suzuki SV650 remains one of the most beloved everyday motorcycles ever created, and the 2026 model just makes a great bike even better. The iconic 645cc V-twin engine delivers smooth, linear power that feels friendly in the city and satisfying on the open road. Suzuki refined the fuel mapping this year to improve low RPM smoothness, making stop-and-go traffic much easier and more enjoyable. The SV650 has always been known for its comfort, and that continues in 2026. The seat is plush, the ergonomics are relaxed, and the bike feels extremely balanced from the moment you start moving. Its lightweight frame and predictable handling make it a perfect everyday partner, especially for riders who want something easy yet capable. The suspension has been slightly retuned to offer better support on rough roads while still delivering that familiar SV comfort. Styling updates include sharper bodywork and new color options such as pearl solar yellow and metallic matte black. The LED lighting adds a touch of modern refinement without changing the SV's classic personality. What makes the SV650 special is how genuine it feels. It doesn't try to be aggressive or intimidating. It's simply a well-rounded motorcycle that works for commuting, casual weekend rides, and everything in between. For everyday riding in 2026, the SV650 remains one of the most dependable and enjoyable choices you can make. Number 5. Yamaha XSR700. The Yamaha XSR700 continues to shine as one of the most enjoyable everyday motorcycles of 2026, combining retro modern design with real-world practicality. Built around Yamaha's famous 689cc CP2 engine, the XSR700 delivers smooth torque, excellent throttle feel, and a comfortable ride that makes daily commuting feel effortless. For 2026, Yamaha refined the suspension and adjusted damping to create a more controlled and comfortable experience over rough streets. Riders love the XSR700 because it blends style and comfort perfectly. The relaxed seating position, lightweight, and natural handlebar reach make it a joy to ride in any situation, whether you're navigating city traffic or taking a peaceful morning cruise. The bike feels agile, planted, and incredibly predictable, which is exactly what you want for everyday riding. The updates this year include new heritage-inspired colors like forest green and midnight silver, along with improved LED lighting for better visibility. The seat padding has been upgraded slightly as well, enhancing long ride comfort. The XSR700 earns its place on this list not just because it's practical, but because it brings emotion to everyday riding. It feels warm, familiar, and easy to bond with. This is the kind of motorcycle that reminds you why you love riding in the first place. Number 4. Honda NX500. The 2026 Honda NX500 has quickly become one of the most versatile everyday motorcycles available. Built on Honda's proven mid-weight platform, the NX500 blends comfort, reliability, and real-world usability in a way that very few motorcycles can match. The 471cc twin-cylinder engine is smooth, efficient, and ideal for daily commuting, as well as light weekend touring. The riding position is upright and relaxed, giving riders a commanding view of the road while keeping shoulders and wrists comfortable comfortable during long stretches. Honda improved the suspension setup for 2026, offering better absorption over rough pavement and more stability in corners. The result is a motorcycle that feels calm, composed, and easy to ride in almost any environment. The redesign includes a sharper front fairing, improved LED lighting, and updated colors like Alpine White and Terra Black. The windscreen gives solid protection against wind, making highway rides noticeably more comfortable. What sets the NX500 apart is its true versatility. It performs beautifully in the city, handles country roads with confidence, and even manages mild off-road tracks with ease. It's affordable, easy to maintain, and incredibly dependable. Everything a real-world rider needs for everyday use. Number 3. Kawasaki Eliminator 500. The 2026 Kawasaki Eliminator 500 is one of the most comfortable everyday motorcycles you can buy. Designed with relaxed ergonomics and a low seat height, the Eliminator offers a calm, easy riding experience that suits beginners and mature riders alike. The 451cc parallel twin engine is smooth and friendly, delivering enough power for highway cruising while remaining gentle and predictable in city traffic. What riders appreciate most is the comfort. The seating posture is upright and natural, the seat cushion is supportive, and the bike's low weight makes slow-speed maneuvering effortless. Kawasaki fine-tuned the suspension in 2026 to offer better support over rough roads, creating a smoother everyday ride. The Eliminator's styling is modern and minimalistic, with new color options like metallic storm gray and pearl nightshade black. LED lighting and a clean digital display complete the look. This is a motorcycle built for simplicity and enjoyment. It's perfect for commuting, weekend rides, or even longer road trips. The Eliminator 500 shines because it asks very little from the rider while giving back a confident, comfortable experience every single day. It's one of the best real-world daily motorcycles of 2026. Number 2. Yamaha MT-07. Few motorcycles are as universally loved as the Yamaha MT-07, and the 2026 update makes it an even stronger everyday motorcycle. The legendary 689cc CP2 engine returns with smoother, low RPM behavior and improved throttle feel. It's one of the most predictable, enjoyable engines ever built for daily riding. Calm when you want it, lively when you need it. Riders appreciate how light and effortless the MT-07 feels. The upright ergonomics, wide handlebars, and neutral seating position make it perfect for commuting, quick errands, or longer rides. Yamaha refined the suspension for 2026, adding better damping to improve comfort without losing the bike's playful character. The updated styling brings sharper LED lighting, cleaner body lines, and fresh colors like marine blue and shadow black. The MT-07 continues to offer an incredible balance of power, agility, and everyday usability. It's the kind of motorcycle that feels instantly familiar to any rider. It doesn't overwhelm you, but it always delivers a satisfying ride. For everyday riders, the MT-07 remains one of the best motorcycles on the road. Simple, reliable, and endlessly enjoyable. Number 1. Triumph Speed 400. The Triumph Speed 400 takes the top spot because it delivers something rare. True premium feel at a price that works for everyday riders. The 398cc engine is smooth, responsive, and engineered to deliver enjoyable power without being demanding. Triumph updated the engine mapping for 2026, improving low-end torque and making city riding even smoother. Riders immediately notice how well-balanced this motorcycle feels. The lightweight chassis, upright posture, and comfortable seat make daily rides effortless. Whether you're navigating busy streets or taking a calm weekend cruise, the Speed 400 feels refined and relaxed. Triumph also adjusted suspension settings this year to offer a softer, more controlled feel on rough roads. The styling is one of its strongest points. A modern retro design with premium finishes, metal components, and beautiful color options like Carnival Red, Phantom Black, and Sapphire Blue. It looks like a high-end motorcycle, but remains surprisingly affordable. What makes the Speed 400 the #1 everyday motorcycle for 2026 is how complete it feels. It's practical, stylish, comfortable, efficient, and enjoyable to ride in every situation. It brings premium riding to everyday life, and that's something riders truly appreciate. And that wraps up our list of the top 7 new motorcycles built for everyday riding in 2026. Which one would you choose to ride daily? Tell me in the comments. I'd love to hear your pick. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.